everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I make DIY fashion tutorials here every week, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss out. And because summer's coming and there's going to be weddings, events, proms, and I wanted to use this beautiful fabric to make a gown in a day, and I'm so excited to show you how I made it. So after I made the toile and then I made the pattern, then I laid the fabric down and I start cutting away around the pattern fabric. So I started with the top layer, which was the sequin fabric. I start sewing all the darts in place and then I did the side seams. At this point, I just had to try the dress on to see what other adjustments I had to do. Like the darts were very pointy, so I had to iron them down, and just extra little tweaks that I had to make. As you know that the sequin fabric is very transparent, this was my lining and I tried to find something that's closer to the body so it looked like transparent. And here I'm just showing you how I attached the lining to the fabric, and I wanted to sandwich the seams in between the fabric. I didn't want them to be exposed. And here I'm showing you that I sandwiched the pieces in between where the armhole was, and then I sewed it in and then turned it the right side out. And I wanted to do a top stitch in order for the lining not to roll out, and I'm just showing you how I had to sew on top of the lining very close to the seam in order not to roll out of the dress. I didn't show you how I finished the hem, but I just did a double binding for the bottom and then I just did a stitch around for the sequin dress. And I just attached an exposed zip because an invisible zip, it would be very hard to attach on this difficult fabric. And this is my final look. What do you think? I absolutely love how this dress turned out and I'm so happy to be able to wear it and wear it to all the parties and a few weddings that are going to be happening this year. And it will be a lovely dress to make for prom, any other occasions that you want to wear it. It's very, very figure hugging. It's beautiful on your décolleté, and especially that it has an exposed back. I think that's always super sexy. And this is what it looks like. If you want to see more of these kind of videos, please subscribe and leave me a comment down below what else you'd like to see from me, DIYs or make dresses, gowns or any other videos. Please let me know.